From ancient cranes and pulleys to today's autonomous systems, construction machinery traces a lineage that reshaped skylines and economies. The industrial age introduced steam shovels and lattice booms, powering the Panama Canal and Chicago's rapid suburban expansion. In Japan, post-war rebuilding harnessed diesel hydraulics and compact cranes to reconstruct cities after earthquakes, balancing speed with precision. China's modern era deployed massive excavators on megaprojects like the Three Gorges Dam, proving efficiency, scale, and environmental trade-offs. Today, digital twins and electrified machines unite countries from Britain to Brazil, accelerating safety, productivity, and a culture of innovation.